Hello everyone, this is Srileka bearing roll number 444.
I'm Ishwanti, roll number 414.
I'm Harini, roll number 423.
I'm Devi, roll number 424.
From A1 batch, we have worked on the project FPGA Implementation of Biometric based elevator controller.
In this technical world, with the increase in the number of commercial complexes, malls, hotels, etc., there has been a definite requirement for an elevator. And there are numerous security vulnerabilities associated with these traditional elevators. And authorized access to certain floors is a requirement that needs to be addressed in research centers, labs, etc. So we have developed an elevator based on biometric access.
So now, like we see, we're using Spartan 6 FPGA board to depict the movement of elevator using a stepper motor 28BYJ48 and a driver associated with it, which is ULN2003A, and then R305 fingerprint module, and to interface that with FPGA, we're using the interfacing board. Like now, let's see, we have implemented it for two users, user 1 and user 2. User 1 has access to ground floor, first floor and third floor. So total number of floors is 4. And the second user has access to ground floor and second floor. Now when you search for the user, the user 1 has access to ground floor, first floor and third floor. The LEDs show that he has access to floor number 0, 1 and 3. Now these 4 are internal switches that will be there in the elevator. All these indicate the floor which the user wants to go to, and these indicate the external floor inputs. Now let's say the user gives floor input as 1. The motor rotates for one complete rotation, indicating that the elevator has moved by one floor. Now he's in first floor, so the 7 segment displays the current floor of the elevator. And if the user gives the input as 3, the motor rotates for 2 complete rotations, indicating that the elevator is moving from first floor to third floor, which is 2 floors.
So similarly, the user 2 has access to ground and the second floors. Since the user 1 has no access to the second floor, by mistake when he gives the second floor as input, then he comes back to the ground floor. So from third floor, the elevator comes back to the ground floor. The stepper motor moves 3 rotations. Now the elevator is in the ground floor and there is some user in the second floor, say. So he wants to access the elevator. So he'll press the elevator externally, that is from outside. So here the first 4 switches indicate the external input. So I'm in the second floor, so I'll give second floor as input to the elevator from the outside. Then the elevator starts moving to the second floor. It rotates twice. Now the elevator is in the second floor. Now in order to get the permission, like in order to move to any of the floors, first the user has to give his biometric. So he gives his biometric in the elevator. So this is user 2, he has access to ground and the second floors. So if he he's already in the second floor, so now he can't go to third floor and first floor since he has no access to those floors. So let me press the ground floor. Now the elevator comes down to the ground floor from the second floor. So it rotates twice. Now if any other user wants to access the elevator externally, then they have to press any of these 4 buttons. So let me press 2. So the elevator moves back to the second floor.
If any other person wants to access the elevator, he has to get authorized first.